Hey guys, it's Lisa from The Responsible Life. So I thought I'd do a quick video to show you some of the larder staples that I have at home that just helps to rustle up very quick dinners. Um, Sometimes you just need something quick to make, especially if you've got little ones running around at home. So I thought I would just show you quickly some of the condiments that I always have to hand, and the sort of extras as well. So obviously I'll have my salt and my sugar, which I got in my containers there. I'll always have some soy sauce, some sesame oil, some Shaoxing rice wine, some apple cider vinegar. I also have this sweet soy sauce as well, which is great for any noodles. Some sweet chili sauce, whatever brand you prefer, and then I'll have my noodles and my rice. So this is just an example of some noodles that I've got that I bought from the Chinese supermarket. But if you can't get that, you can still get the different varieties like the rice vermicellis, like this. I'll show you vermicelli noodles. I've got pastas as well, so I'll always have some pasta to hand. Whole meal, and also the other one, depending on what I can get. I'll also have some rice sticks in the cupboard as well. And I'll have some jasmine rice, or basmati rice, or long grain rice, depending on what I fancy. I'll always have some flour as well available, because these are great to make pancakes or, you know, anything else that I want to do with flour. And then for spices, I have a cupboard full of spices that I've got, so I would just basically check off what it is that we've got in stock, and then I would basically create a dish from that. So as you can see, these are the main flavours like paprika, ginger, cumin, cardamom, turmeric, cayenne pepper, 5-spice as well, and Italian seasonings. And I just thought I'd show you a quick little dish that I've made earlier, which is a soup noodle using some leftover meat that I'm going to just have later with some cabbage as well. Oh, the other thing I also have is corn flour as well, which is quite important when you make any sauces, just to thicken that just helps it thicken quite easily. So there you go, that's just a very quick behind the scenes of what I normally have as my staples ready. And once you've got those ready, you can create many dishes from that. Especially if you want something with soup base or sauce base, you do need those strong flavours, which is sour, sweet, spicy, and also savoury as well. So if you did want the spicy element, I have got like hot sauce, which is in the fridge. I also have ketchup and mayo as well, because they also do great for the Italian flavours like the passatas, just to give that extra depth as well. So these are my spicy sauces here. Just my chili sauce there, can you see? That I homemade that. But yeah, that is in a nutshell what I have to hand when I do my meal prep and my cooking. And I'm going to share more with you on the recipes later. Thanks guys, bye!